at any point is an understatement. Daily तो ठीक रहता है. I find it like I'm going to crack this, I'm going to ace this every single time, every single day, every single morning. But when it is the time of exams, every second I feel I'm going to fail. Definitely, for sure.
प्रभु बस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक संभालने में नारियल फोड़.
Well, I would say that there were many points, especially because of the busy schedule that we have. Every second of the day, we have something or the other pending or something or the other going on. So, yeah, there were many points that I thought I may quit, but here I stand, first year complete, very happy.
Yeah, like sometimes it really gets very stressful, but everybody's going through the same. Like no one is better off. At least in IPM, no one is better off. So I call a friend, I just talk to someone, but yes, sometimes it's very stressful.
After getting married.
My reaction when I got it. Okay, so it was around 3 in the afternoon and I had just woken up. My sleep schedule was really bad then. So there were several messages from my friends and my coaching institute as well asking about my results. So I got very scared. I just opened my laptop and gave it to my mom to check it because I was petrified to do it myself. Then my mom told me कि हो गया. So bus tears of joy started rolling down my face and in that moment I was the happiest girl in the world.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक.
That feeling was amazing. Like मुझे offer letter आया और you are selected for IPM 02 batch. It was good because you know तुम्हारी 2 साल की मेहनत और sacrifice कर तुम्हें result मिल चुका होता है. तो
मेरे लाइक ना हमेशा बहुत weird और funny रही है. So the last 1 year of IPM भी काफ़ी कुछ हुआ है. But I'll give the latest one. So last week we were having a discussion session. The discussion session is basically
experience so far. Okay. It's like 4 or 5 days after the orientation. I joined the class 10 minutes before. Okay, तो बीच में मेरे दोस्त का कॉल आया. ठीक है, 2 मिनट बात हुई, कॉल कट कर दिया. इसी बीच क्या है मेरा नेट ऑफ हो गया एंड आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर. ओके, तो 10 मिनट हो गया, 20 मिनट हो गया, क्लास में कोई कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा था एंड आई लाइक सबको एक साथ साफ सुन गया. बट यू नो बाद में पता चला कि भाई मेरा ही नेट ऑफ था. तो उस दिन का मेरा अटेंडेंस भी चला.
Okay, so it was a combined session, like all the 3 sections together, 200 plus student in a single meet, and किसी ने गलती से what the fuck लिख दिया था, that too in public domain. I mean by mistake she wanted to send it to someone privately, but then वो नहीं हो पाया and public domain में चला गया. And WTF is not a very uncommon word. Plus I think he was a foreign faculty, so what people did to make that up was someone फटाफट types की WTF means what the फालतू, right? And then people join in. Yeah, what the फालतू, what the फटाका, ये कहाँ है, वो कहाँ है. And then they just made up and it was so very fun watching all these and laughing out loud. Then one more will be जब किसी का भी birthday होता है, what will people do now because lockdown going on, we don't really have anything to do. So we pin him or her birthday के कुछ दिन पहले, capture all the weird poses, make stickers and float in the WhatsApp group.
So there was this one guy who apparently decided to sleep class के बीच में and his camera was on. We saw him fall asleep. We saw him खराटे मारते हुए. We saw him wake up and we saw him realizing that his camera was on and he has embarrassed himself in front of the entire batch. So that has been quite the highlight.
Expectations versus reality. So what happened na कि I get to know that we will be having foreign faculty. So I thought बहुत मज़ा आएगी पढ़ने में, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अपना फोकस दूंगा पढ़ाई की तरफ. बट एक्चुअली मैंने आधी से ज़्यादा क्लासेस सोते हुए निकाली है कि लैंग्वेज बैरियर इतना ज़्यादा था कि समझ ही नहीं आता था.
I do not want to be kicked out of the college, so I hereby use the right to remain silent.
To be honest, you know, my expectation was like ये पेपर निकाल दो, life set है. But in reality, you have to work much harder than you used to because like competition बहुत ज़्यादा है. And अभी things online भी हैं तो you have to put much efforts, you know.
Is that even a question? You know what? I'm fine. getting backaches, having eye strains, and not going to college and sitting at home, getting scoldings from parents, ranting to friends online, and then doing assignments, copying, getting no CGPA. I'm fine. पागल हो क्या? लैपटॉप फोड़ने का मन करता है.
Yes, it does haunt me because we completed our first year sitting in front of blue screen. But let's see, we are each other's support. Hoping for good days.
When you have bonded with so many people online and in reality तुम लोग का थोड़ा भी नहीं देखा होता है, तो it is safe to say that this thought has been haunting all of us.
It's very normal to find me in a project meet till 3 in the morning, or making PPTs or assignments till 4, and then sleeping and then waking up before 7 for the quizzes. Also, by the way, I'm a pro at missing quizzes.
Once switch your webcam on, else I absent mark you. Once I mark you absent, don't tell me that why I haven't marked you absent, because I told you to once switch your webcam on at the first place.
7 बज गए. कुछ छूट गया.
Hi, so I will start with the worst part because I want to save the best for the last. So the worst part about the campus life of a Kathur is that you have to attend mandatory yoga classes 7 a.m. in the morning, 5 days a week. No, you can't skip them. Attendance is mandatory. Remember that? 7 a.m. sharp.
So the most interesting thing that I heard about the campus is the store. I heard that it's open for like 24/7 and it is run by our college seniors only. I've also heard that there is a proper recruitment process to become a member of the store. Other than that, they provide food and other basic facilities to us students at any point of the day. I also remember that when our first year had just started, we received mails from the store and they were selling I Am Rohtak official jerseys. Like we could get them personalized. So like it is a pretty active club, and of all the things that I know about the campus, the store fascinates me the most.
The best thing about campus life of a Kathur is the way we celebrate festivals here. It's so much fun. You have DJ here. जितना नाचना है नाचो, नाचते जाओ, नाचो.
The fact that we don't get any preparatory leaves before our exams. Like one day your classes will get over and there will be a gap for a day, and then the next day you'll be writing your exams. And also during that period you'll have to submit all your assignments and ongoing projects and all. So things get pretty messy around that time and we don't get enough time to like prepare for it, like I feel so.
If I had superpower, one thing I would like to do, okay, frankly speaking, I would like to get access to some of these spreadsheet and files of my batch.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
Reality is often disappointing. That is, it was. Now, reality can be whatever I want.
And to be honest, in the start now, I was like, इसमें भी add कर दो, interaction, new people, knowing each other and everything. But now I'm like, ये particular काम ना अगर individually हो सकता है ना तो वैसा लगता है. I mean, too many groups are headache only. I don't want to get added. Like,
Let me see. Okay, the one with first and second batch, the one with my section, the one with only my batch, and I think बहुत सारे यार.
WhatsApp groups, I think 6,727. Kidding.
स्टार्ट करो.
Very strict.
Well, most of the things that they will tell you during your orientation period are going to be true, like all of the rules and the disciplinary actions that might be taken against you. All of them are true, most of them, like most of them are true. They're also very strict about our presence during the classes and our punctuality, and also outside of the classes, like on the social media. If any unofficial IIM Rohtak page comes under their notice, it is immediately shut down. I know it's because of the, like, it is a matter of reputation of the college. So like, the rules are pretty strict here. Some of them are strict, some of them are genuine, obviously. So if they tell you that something is gonna happen, it will probably happen.
Well, when you're in colleges like I am, you're of course expected to follow very strict rules and a very rigid schedule. But you do find out ways to have fun sometimes. A few times. A few times.
बहुत स्किल्स सीखी है यार, मतलब देखो, क्योंकि वी हैव द ऑब्जर्वर ऑलवेज मॉनिटरिंग अस ड्यूरिंग द लेक्चर्स, तो बेसिकली लर्नड दिस स्किल ऑफ sleeping with my eyes open. So I could be sleeping right now as I'm talking to you and you wouldn't know.
One of the skills I've learned in college is using virtual background as a proxy to get attendance. Because यहाँ ना है थोड़ा camera on off करो वाला पंगा. But if you're from IPM office and is watching this, I'd like to clarify कि ये सब मैंने cool बनने के लिए बोल दिया. I don't do all this.
बिल्कुल रिस्क नहीं लेने का।
So before coming to this college, I had a misconception that once I clear this examination, मेरी life set है, मुझे कुछ मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. लेकिन इस कॉलेज के हर साल में 3 सेमेस्टर्स हैं और हर सेमेस्टर में 7 सब्जेक्ट हैं और हर सब्जेक्ट में एक ना एक ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट है जो बहुत टाइम लेता है. तुम्हें मेहनत चक मार के करनी पड़ेगी.
Whosoever is watching this, I wholeheartedly wish you make it through IPMAT, and once you are here, first month will be a struggle, but then you will be each other's support, and after that, you'll go with the flow. All the best.
Just one thing, don't do the mistake of assuming कि you have entered IIM or any other college, तो तुम्हारी life set हो गई है. That is not happening.
यही है, मैसेज जल्दी जल्दी पेपर क्रैक करो और आ जाओ. साथ ही जाएंगे कैंपस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड फ्रेशर्स प्लीज़ शेयर करेंगे क्योंकि हमें भी नहीं मिली अभी तक.